We are online dress rental. Women can come to us and rent high-end cocktail and gowns. So instead of spending $2,000 on a dress that they'll wear one time, you can spend $60 to $80 and rent it for a 4-day period. We've homegrown our own warehouse logistics system. We've got a lot of data analysis to make that a possibility. Every part of our business is data-driven. Every business owner looks at data all the time. They're in Tableau all day long from our data warehouse. One of the big decisions that we went with last year was we decided to offer a subscription-based product. And it's been successful. I want to say that we have over 25,000 women actively in the program. And looking at data was a lot that caused us to go that way. We have a 14-person analytics team that's always looking for new insight. We have a lot of automation in our warehouse, where things are getting caught up, how to staff, where the bottlenecks are, where we should spend to market. What are the effective channels? We look at that kind of data. Who are the customers that are converting? Who to offer promotions? How to price things? What's our demand going to look like in each season, each week, for what types of clothes? Those are examples. We have a 3-node Vertica cluster. It's not scaling very well for us. We just hit a certain critical mass. We didn't really want to be our own DBAs. I'd much rather a data warehouse as a service kind of offering. Snowflake gives us a lot of flexibility because we can go as big as we want. We can add capacity pretty cheaply and at will. With Vertica, we were tied to caps on how much data we licensed. Now we can look at data sets we couldn't before. Our analysts like that. Most of our analyst team writes SQL. They're not programmers. It's been helpful to have something where they can use comfortable SQL and analytics functions. Some of our processes were very bogged down. We wanted to run things in daily or even hourly increments. Our previous system couldn't handle it. Now with Snowflake and the warehouse setup, we can. Because the processes are split, we can add compute where we need it. It's very helpful. For instance, what the customers are doing on our website, the time to deliver that to the business, the decision makers and the product teams, it's much faster. Usually in one of these monolithic systems like a Vertica, you are limited by the amount of CPUs and RAMs that are shared. So one large job could slow down other parts of my system, other people's work. With Snowflake, I assign them different warehouses. They have different compute. It's totally separate. The biggest thing is the ad hoc analysis. I can quickly just put stuff on S3 and it's pretty much available for me. And I don't have to write a lot of really complex ingestion logic. And I don't get woken up as much at night. So that's a huge plus.